Ow, okay. Okay, so uh been at this again. I'm here again. I think it's time. It's been a couple of while now. I think a little over a month after I stopped posting videos. So I think it's time. I think it's time to make another cleaning video again. My mess is out of control right now. My table, oh, it's awful. So yeah, I think it's time of the year where I clean stuff up and hopefully, hopefully put everything in the right order. This is just gonna be another quick one, flyby, I think. And yeah, hopefully, I do finish this in a little over an hour. I think it'll do. Yeah. So yeah, bam. That was cringe. Okay, let's start it. Water is important. Okay, drink your water. You know who you are. Yes, you. I know you. Drink your water. Okay.